Hello, in this video we are going to talk about the upcoming international medical conference that we are going to conduct in collaboration with the BAPIO Training Academy UK and the reason why you should consider participating in it. The primary purpose of this conference is to provide medical students and doctors like you the opportunity to learn valuable oral and e-poster presentation skills along with the skills needed to prepare submission ready abstracts and case reports. Let's first discuss what this conference is going to be all about. Simply put, this conference is an opportunity for you to gain some points that are needed for your UK job applications. You are probably already aware that under the presentation section of your job application, you need to mention the list of oral and e-poster presentations that you have completed as part of your continued medical education. Not all oral and e-poster presentations can be included as part of this, and you get more points if it's a medical conference held at an international level such as the one coming up. The first order of business is to understand exactly what to submit. For this conference, we invite you to submit your abstracts and case reports. Most of you are already familiar with what these are, but just so we are on the same page, here's a brief description. The written abstract is used in making selections for presentations at scientific meetings. Creating a well-written abstract is a skill that can be learned, and mastering the skill will increase the probability that your research will be selected for presentation. The scientific abstract is usually divided into 5 unique sections: title and author information, introduction, methods, results, and conclusions. Here's a description of these sections. You can pause the video to read. A medical case report, also known as a case study, is a detailed description of a clinical encounter with a patient. The most important aspect of a case report is that the case is sufficiently unique, rare, or interesting such that other medical professionals will learn something from it. Case reports are commonly prepared for the following categories. Once you identify a case and have learned what information to include in the case report, try to find a previously published case report. Finding published case reports in a similar field will provide examples to guide you through the process of writing a case report. An e-poster or digital poster is a digital presentation of a case study that is presented within a congress or a medical event. Instead of being printed as an actual poster and stuck on a wall, an e-poster is made in Microsoft PowerPoint, Word, or any image editing software such as Photoshop or Corel. Here are a few tips for the poster presentations. Any medical student, medical graduate, or doctor from India or abroad, irrespective of nationality or ethnicity, can participate as presenting authors or general member participants. Once all the submissions have been gathered, they will be evaluated by an independent panel and will be scored on various criteria. If a submission is accepted for oral presentation, the authors will be informed via email. There are certain guidelines that govern this conference. Here's a list of these guidelines. If you have any questions regarding the conference or the submission process, you can reach us at hello@gocampusuk.com or call us at the number mentioned in the screen. We hope to see you at the conference. Thank you and have a good day.